Earlier, we had introduced ourselves to what we need to consider before dividend is paid out as CFO or Chief Financial Officer or Finance Manager, student of accounting and finance and the like, or as investor too. Now we want to consider types of dividend policies that we need to understand on both sides, whether we are on the investor side or on the finance management side, or as students for MSc, professional accountancy bodies and the like. So basically, we have two types of policy. It's either paying or non-dividend paying. Paying of dividend or non-dividend paying. Then we can equally still classify it to cash dividend and non-cash dividend. So it's either an organization is dividend paying and or not dividend paying organization, and also it's in form of and otherwise. We can equally ask, how am I going to know whether an organization I want to invest into, they are actually dividend paying organization? Of course, this video is not made with the intention of advising you to go and it's for education. But basically, if you follow the trend and analyze the company you have interest in, you will be able to actually decide whether they are dividend paying organization or not. And that they are paying dividend does not actually say that they are doing well. Please understand. Of course, they must have a bit of liquidity before they can pay. But it does not mean that those that are not paying dividend are not doing well either. So that they are paying does not mean that they are actually making much money, and that they are not paying does not mean that they are not making money. So policies actually, and that is why we are talking about types of dividend policy. Investor needs to actually understand this before buying into an organization, and as CFO too, or as finance and accounting students, and as person that has interest in finance, we need to understand all this. So let us go into it in details, having introduced ourselves. So paying of dividend now, we can pay it in cash. We can pay it as script or script. We can pay it in form of non-cash payments, like giving out of voucher and the like. And as we continue, we are going to see how Microsoft in 2004 actually pay dividend, and what type of dividend they pay, and what British Airways did, and what type of payment or dividend policy we can classify it into. So let us go, and as we continue, like this video, comment, share GJAMES Associate channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. My name, for those of us that are joining us for the first time, is Gbenga Olatunji, FCA from GJAMES Associate channel. Let us go into the details. So we can have a form of dividend payment that is not cash, non-cash, in form of scrip payments. For example, an organization can declare 1 for every 10 shares that you have in an organization. So that is a dividend. That means for every one you have, for everything you are having additional 1. So invariably, if you have 100 shares, you have 10 added to it. So you have additional 10. So, and which will be equal to the market value of that 10. So it's as if they've paid you. You can decide to sell it by yourself. So it's a form of payment. Another one, you can payment you can have or share dividend type is share repurchase, in which the organization buys back from you, the shareholder. So it's a form of share declaration and the like, in which organization purchase back and give you cash in exchange for it. So it's a mutual, it has mutual advantage depending on the timing at which it was used. Also, there could be special dividend that organization just declared a dividend, because many times they have more than enough, like Microsoft then in 2004 declared $3 for every shareholding. And of course, you can be sure that the shareholders took it. Shareholders will now reject. They can only complain when organization did not pay. So there could be special declaration of dividend like Microsoft Incorporation did in 2004. Also, some organization we pay dividend in non-cash formats, which can be in form of discount vouchers and the like. And when you have such discount vouchers, you can use it to purchase things in some retail store and the like. Last that I'm going to mention, and before I mention it, we should please subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe to GJAMES Associate channel, please go and subscribe and click like and comments. Non-cash dividend payments too can be in form of that British Airways did, in which 10% price was given for everyone. A discount price for your airway were given then for every shareholder that has at least minimum of 200 shares and above. So it's a form of non-cash dividend payment, dividend policy. So we will continue to pick on different aspects of dividend payment, dividend policy, and all we need to know in the world of accounting and finance. From GJAMES Associate channel, Gbenga Olatunji FCA has been speaking. We have value to life. We have value to your businesses.